Hello, little adventurers, and welcome to our fun world. Look, here are our friends, Leo and Mia. Aren't they excited to play with you today? Oh, look, Leo has a super cool toy car, and he's sharing it with Mia. That's so kind. Sharing our toys makes playtime so much more fun for everyone. When we share, our friends are happy. And we're happy too. Now, what's Mia asking for? She's saying please for a crayon. And after Leo gives it to her, she says thank you. Using polite words like please and thank you is a wonderful way to be a good friend. Oh, Mia's block tower fell. Don't worry. Here comes Leo to help her build it back up, even taller and stronger than before. Helping our friends is one of the best things we can do. After all that fun, it's time to clean up. See how Leo and Mia are putting all the toys back in the box together? Teamwork makes cleaning up quick and easy. Being kind, sharing, and helping makes everyone feel so happy inside. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures.